Hi guys, right, first things first, apologies for the, I'm not sure you can see it, a bit of a bruising there, slight boxing accident. Anyway, so this is week one of our Willows Avenue renovation. I think I did a video about this, about a few months ago. Anyway, so the purchase is complete and the builders are here. This is literally, I think, the first day, so the Monday. What I'm going to do is, obviously, again, turn the camera around and then do a weekly update on this project. We purchased, just as a recap, we purchased it for 200,000, I think, cash, and renovations should cost about 100,000. We've just found out that the joisting would probably need to be replaced in the ceiling, so that's now going to be a bit more. Okay, let me turn it around. It's a bit of a offsite. Okay, so yeah, they're just taking out the roofing and there. I just need to be quite careful. Okay, yeah, this is a project and a half. Indoor bins, always nice. Okay, so let me go through it again. It's the hallway. This is going to be room one. We're going to have, so everything's going to be taken back to brick. The ensuite is going to go there, and then there's going to be a wall here, and this is going to be room two. We're going to knock that through to provide more storage underneath the stairs, and that's going to be the ensuite for this room. We're going to, so this is the current kitchen. We're going to move this out that way by 1 meter over here, but we're going to still leave that access there because we need this window. So this will be another bathroom, so another bedroom. Down here. It's quite dusty. So this is going to be the big kitchen. What we're going to do is, so this is room 3. We're going to extend it to about here to make sure that that room is big enough, and then from here we're going to build out 3 meters, I believe, and build that way by 1 meter. So this is going to be a really large kitchen diner communal space. Back here we're going to keep digging down and level everything out, and then I think further down, maybe where the tree is, we're going to use the existing bricks and build up some steps. So you'll have, so the extension will go around about here, and then down there will be like a communal sort of cemented or slab area, and then there'll be bricks creating some steps going up, and down there will be sort of a lawn, stroke trees and stuff. Let me just take you around the side. This will most likely be knocked down. Okay, so that's the chimney breast, which doesn't really go anywhere. So these are sort of outhouses. They'll be knocked down, and then everything will be extended this way. There'll be a still gap here, so you can come through here and head to the back. Okay, let me quickly show you through. Alright, so yeah, a bit messy. Just need to be careful around here. So yeah, that's what needs replacing, as we found out. So this will be room 4, and that will be an ensuite over there. So that ensuite will come through here, and this will be the ensuite for room 4. And the wall and here. So this is currently a room. What we're going to do is shrink it, make this the ensuite for this bedroom, and that wall is going to be pushed in to make this bedroom bigger. What I'm going to do is then put a doorway here so that that room is really, really big. We're not going to go in that room, unfortunately. It doesn't look the safest, but that's the upstairs. and that's a really big room, but we'll do that at a later date. Okay, let me walk to the back. And yeah, that's gone. So just something to note, when you've got neighbours that look after their gardens like that, I mean, that's a really nice garden actually. It's just you know, a good sign of the area and of the street. Generally speaking, you don't want to be a HMO surrounded by other HMOs because they'll just be dirty, nuisance, loads of antisocial behaviour, and you know, the living experience for the tenants won't be great. The property value probably won't go up very much as well. I always prefer to have a HMO in an area where you have a lot of other nice properties, sort of mostly residential properties, not too far from the main road and from the shops and transport links. So somewhere like this, for example, works quite well. What I do then is make sure that the property is managed really well, and that we, as a HMO, don't become a nuisance to any of the neighbours. I mean, that's just my personal standard anyway. Okay, so hopefully that's been useful. This is the week 1 of Willows Avenue, and hopefully next time I'll show you room 6, which is really big and really attractive. Alright, talk soon. Okay, bye.